Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use KLARNA'S shopping app. Let's get straight into the video. The first step, of course, is to download and install the app. So you want to go to the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then you want to search for KLARNA and select the KLARNA'S shopping app and just download and install the app. Now the second step is to sign in or create an account. What you want to do is to open the KLARNA app and sign in with your existing KLARNA account, or if you don't have a KLARNA account, you can create one by providing your email, password, and other required information. And once you're logged in, just browse and discover products. So you want to browse through the app curated product feed, which features items from various merchants, and then you can use the search bar to find specific products or brands, and just explore product categories such as fashion, electronics, or home goods. And then you want to find the app that you want, the product that you want to buy, and then you can just move ahead to step 4 to make a purchase. So after you selected a product that you'd like to purchase, you can just choose your preferred payment methods. You could use KLARNA'S pay in 4 or financing option, and then just review your order summary and confirm your purchase. And then you move on to the 5th step, which is to track your order. So after making a purchase, you can track your order status within the app. So you can also receive updates on shipping, delivery, and any other important order information. Yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use the KLARNA shopping app. So if you liked the video, if you found it useful, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friend and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because it helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.